Have you ever considered that your mind could be the secret weapon to achieving your weight loss goals? Yes, that's right, your mind. It's not just about the calories you eat or the miles you run, it's about the power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is a concept that has been around for thousands of years, rooted in ancient Buddhist practices. It's the art of being fully present in the moment, aware of your surroundings, your thoughts, your feelings, without any judgment. It's about being in tune with yourself and your environment. Now, you might be wondering, what does this have to do with weight loss? Well, it has everything to do with it. You see, scientific studies have shown that mindfulness can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels. And it's no secret that stress and anxiety can often lead to overeating or unhealthy eating habits. When we're stressed, we tend to reach for comfort foods, usually high in sugar and fat. But when we practice mindfulness, we become more aware of these triggers and can better manage our responses to them. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself mindlessly munching on a bag of chips while watching TV or scrolling through your phone? That's the opposite of mindfulness. But with mindfulness, we learn to pay attention to our hunger cues, to eat when we're hungry, and to stop when we're satisfied. We learn to enjoy our food, to savor each bite rather than just eating for the sake of eating. So mindfulness isn't just about peace of mind or spiritual enlightenment. It's a practical tool that can help us make healthier choices, to listen to our bodies, and ultimately, to achieve our weight loss goals. And the best part, it's something that anyone can practice, anywhere, anytime. So mindfulness isn't just about peace of mind, it can actually help you shed those extra pounds. Typical weight loss strategies often focus solely on the physical, diets, workouts, and so on. But what if there's more to it? Consider traditional weight loss methods. They usually involve calorie restriction, intense exercise routines, and sometimes even extreme diets. These approaches may provide quick results, but are they sustainable? Often, they're not. As soon as you step off the diet treadmill, the weight tends to pile back on, leading to a frustrating cycle of gain and loss. Now let's examine a different approach. Mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are and what we're doing, without reacting or getting overwhelmed by what's happening around us. When applied to eating, it means savoring each bite, being aware of your hunger and fullness cues, and enjoying the experience of eating. Research shows that this approach can lead to better long-term weight management. A study published in the Journal of Obesity in 2017 found that participants who received mindfulness training not only lost significant weight, but also experienced less stress and a better quality of life than those who followed traditional diet plans. This is not to say that physical efforts like balanced diet and exercise aren't important. They are. But by adding mindfulness to the mix, we can enhance these efforts. Remember the biblical scripture, "For as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." Our mindset, our thoughts and beliefs, can have a profound impact on our actions. When we approach weight loss with a mindset of deprivation and punishment, it becomes a battle. But when we approach it with mindfulness, it becomes a journey of self-discovery and self-care. Let me share a personal story. My friend Sarah struggled with yo-yo dieting for years. It wasn't until she incorporated mindfulness into her routine that she found sustainable success. Not only did she lose weight, but she also developed a healthier relationship with food and her body. So it seems, the secret to sustainable weight loss might not be found in the next fad diet, but within our minds. It's clear that your mindset plays a pivotal role in your weight loss journey. So, how does mindfulness actually help with weight loss? Let's dive into the science. Mindfulness, at its core, is about being present and fully engaged with whatever we're doing at any given moment. It's about freeing our minds from distractions and focusing on our bodily sensations and emotions. But how does this help with weight loss? Firstly, mindfulness enhances self-regulation. This is our ability to manage our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in ways that set us up for success. It's like having a personal coach inside our heads, guiding us to make healthier choices. In the context of weight loss, self-regulation can help us resist the urge to grab that extra slice of pizza or opt for a salad instead of fries. Secondly, mindfulness helps reduce emotional eating. We've all been there, reaching for a tub of ice cream after a rough day. But this is where mindfulness can play a pivotal role. By recognizing and accepting our emotions, we can address them directly rather than using food as a coping mechanism. A study published in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that mindfulness-based interventions significantly reduced emotional eating in participants. Thirdly, mindfulness increases body awareness. When we are aware of our bodies, we pay attention to our hunger and satiety cues. We eat when we're hungry, not just when we're bored or stressed. This awareness can make a huge difference. It's like our bodies are trying to have a conversation with us, and mindfulness ensures we're listening. Lastly, mindfulness can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that can lead to weight gain. A study in the journal Health Psychology showed that participants who engaged in mindfulness-based stress reduction had significantly lower cortisol levels. Lower stress levels can lead to less emotional eating and healthier food choices. So, mindfulness isn't just about sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. It's a powerful tool that can help us manage our emotions, make healthier choices, and ultimately, lose weight. As you can see, mindfulness can help tackle some of the root causes of weight gain. Ready to give mindfulness a shot? Here's how you can incorporate it into your daily life. First and foremost, let's talk about mindful eating. It's all about savoring your food, taking the time to chew, and really tasting each bite. It's not just about slowing down, but also about being fully present in the experience. This can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues and avoid overeating. Next up is meditation. Now don't panic. Meditation doesn't mean you have to sit in silence for hours. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a significant difference. It's about focusing on your breath, letting go of the chatter in your mind, and just being in the moment. You can do this anywhere, anytime. And if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. No judgment, just awareness. And let's not forget about yoga. This ancient practice is not only great for flexibility and strength, but it's also a fantastic way to cultivate mindfulness. Paying attention to your body, your breath, and how they move together can bring a sense of calm and balance. Now, I know this all sounds great, but how do I actually make it a part of my routine? Well, the key is to start small. Choose one thing, whether it's mindful eating, meditation, or yoga, and commit to practicing it for just a few minutes each day. You can gradually increase the time as it becomes more natural. And remember this biblical scripture, "For God gave us a spirit not of fear, but of power and love and self-control." 2 Timothy 1:7. So don't be afraid to take control of your mind and body. You have the power to make positive changes in your life. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. So give yourself grace. Celebrate the small victories. And most importantly, be present. Your journey to mindfulness starts now. You might be wondering, does this really work? Let's hear from people who've tried it. Picture this, a woman named Martha living in the heart of Texas. Martha had been struggling with her weight for years. She tried every diet under the hot Texan sun, but nothing seemed to stick. Then, she discovered mindfulness. She started by incorporating 10 minutes of meditation into her morning routine, focusing on her breath and the sensations in her body. This little change brought about a big transformation. Martha found that she began eating with more awareness, savoring each bite instead of mindlessly munching away. By the end of the year, she had lost 30 pounds. Now let's jet across the globe to Tokyo, Japan. Meet Kenji, a busy businessman who barely had time to breathe, let alone lose weight. He stumbled upon mindfulness during a late-night internet search. Intrigued, he decided to give it a shot. Kenji began practicing mindful eating, focusing on the taste and texture of his food, and he noticed something incredible. He was eating less but enjoying it more. And the best part? He lost 20 pounds without setting foot in a gym. And folks, these are not isolated incidents. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene countryside of France, people are discovering the power of mindfulness in their weight loss journey. They're not just shedding pounds, but also stress, anxiety, and unhealthy habits. And they're gaining a deeper connection with their bodies, a sense of peace, and a healthy relationship with food. Now, isn't that something to chuckle about? Imagine losing weight while gaining so much more. It's like buying a pair of shoes and finding an extra pair in the box. Now that's a deal anyone would love. These stories prove that with mindfulness, weight loss is more than just a physical transformation. It's a mental one too. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip for you. Mindfulness doesn't stop once you've reached your weight loss goal. It becomes a lifestyle, a part of your daily routine. The journey to weight loss is just as important as the destination. By continually practicing mindfulness, you'll maintain a healthy weight and sustain a balanced lifestyle. It's about checking in with yourself, being present in the moment, and appreciating your body for the amazing things it can do. If you have found value in this video, please show your appreciation by giving it a like. And if you want to journey with us further, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to hear about your own experiences with mindfulness and weight loss, so take a moment to drop a comment below. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely on your weight loss journey. As we come to the end, let's wrap up with some food for thought. It's been quite a journey we've embarked on today, exploring the power of mindfulness and its impact on weight loss. We've delved into the science behind it, compared it with traditional methods, and even heard some success stories from real people who've walked this path before us. Mindfulness, the art of being present and fully engaged with whatever we're doing at the moment, free from distraction or judgment, with a soft and open mind, is a powerful tool. It's not just about weight loss, it's about a healthier and happier lifestyle. We've learned that mindfulness, when incorporated into our daily routines, can be a game changer. It helps us understand our bodies better, listen to its needs, and respond with love and kindness. It aids in reducing stress, which is often a significant contributor to weight gain. It helps us make healthier food choices and improves our relationship with food. Remember the story we shared about the woman who overcame her struggles with weight by embracing mindfulness? It's not an isolated case. Many have found solace and success in this journey by being present, by being mindful. We also touched upon a biblical scripture that beautifully aligns with our topic today. Proverbs 14:30 says, "A heart at peace gives life to the body." Isn't that what mindfulness is all about? Achieving a peaceful heart, a calm mind, and a body that thrives. And let's not forget our bonus tip: start small. Small steps lead to significant changes. Begin with a minute or two of mindfulness practice each day and gradually increase as your comfort and confidence grow. So as we part ways today, remember these words: your body hears everything your mind says. Stay positive. This quote is not just about positivity. It's a reminder of the profound connection between our body and mind, the essence of our discussion today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep calm and stay mindful.